Hello everyone, and welcome to our video today. This is going to be a low back release video. I have a few of these on my channel, but this is hopefully going to help us explore some new movements and going to provide you the opportunity to hopefully live back pain free, or at least allow you to release some pain when you're having it. I'm actually having some low back pain right now, which is kind of where the idea for this video came from. So we're just gonna work together here and then try to do as best as you can. So we're gonna get started seated just like this. It's called Sukhasana, easy pose, with a nice long spine. So I want you to inhale, reach your arms to the sky, and then exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Good, sit up nice and tall. Try not to tilt your pelvis too far forward. So instead of sitting here, try to sit a little bit down into your tailbone so there's a very slight curl to the low back. If you're uncomfortable, now's the time to grab a block or a pillow to have a seat on. Otherwise, stay seated with me on your tailbone. I'm gonna mirror you with my movement, so we're gonna go ahead and inhale, bring our arms up. Good, exhale, twist right. So allow your hand to come outside of your knee, drop your back shoulder, and then gaze all the way behind you. Exhale, turn your head forward. Look all the way over the opposite shoulder if you can. Good, look forward, inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist to the left. Continue the twist, looking all the way behind you if you can. And then from there, exhale, rotate, look forward, and then try to look past the other shoulder. Good, repeat, inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist. Gazes forward and over. Good, inhale, reach up. And then last one, seated spinal twist. Look over your back shoulder, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, look forward, and then all the way past the other shoulder. Good, return to center. And now switch the cross of your ankles for me. So if you're on the block, you may need to kind of move yourself around a little bit. Inhale, lengthen out your spine, and then exhale, walk your hands forward and fold. So allow your forehead to come down, get really long through the fingers. Exhale, relax your head, neck, and shoulders. Breathe in as you lengthen your low back, and breathe out as you fold. And some of you may be in a fold that keeps you here, and that's also okay. From this position, inhale, come up nice and tall. Exhale, we're gonna move to our right. So you're gonna place the right palm or forearm down. Inhale, you're gonna reach up and over your head. So this is a lateral stretch, really opening up the side of your body. And then second side, palm down, maybe include the forearm if you can. Reach up and over. So again, this nice lateral opening side body stretch. Now we're gonna add a little bit of the twist here. So we're gonna first move back to the lateral stretch, palm down, forearm down, reach. Now exhale, this top arm grabs your knee, okay? So left hand, right knee. And now lean your shoulder down to your knee. So now my left knee is reaching for my left knee. And I'm gonna reach my right arm up and over my head. Good, come back, lateral, reach up and over. Left hand, right knee. Left shoulder, left knee, right arm overhead. Good, now sit up tall, still holding opposite hand and knee. We're gonna take our right arm, cross it over, and then exhale, scoop down through the belly and tuck the chin. Good, inhale, open arms, broaden the chest, find some extension in your back. Good, exhale, fold in, flexion, reach, reach, reach. One more time, inhale, open. Exhale, flexion. Good, sit up nice and tall. Switch your legs again if you want. So I'm just doing this so that way we don't always get comfortable in one spot. We give our opportunity for our hips to take a rest. Good, inhale, place the palm or forearm down, and then reach up and over through the right arm as far as you can. Good, big breath in, big breath out. Good, come all the way up, and then we're gonna exhale, go again. Palm down, forearm down, inhale, come all the way up. Good, exhale, we're gonna take this arm over, opposite hand and knee. Lean the shoulder down, so my right shoulder is reaching for my right knee, and then my left arm reaches up and over. So it's kind of like a lateral diagonal stretch. 3. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 2. Good. Come back into it. Palm down, forearm down. Inhale, up and over. Lengthen, lengthen, lengthen. Exhale, grab the knee, lean the shoulder, reach over the head. Create space, find space, breathe in. And now this time, bring the hand over. So you're holding your knees and then you're hugging your chin in. And your left arm is on top of your right. Good. Inhale, big hug. Open your arms to the world. Stretch, sit up tall. Exhale, scoop and tilt back. Good. And your movements may be bigger. They may not be as big, and that's okay. Open. And close. Good. I'm going to rotate to my side. And from here, I want you to reach your legs out. So one leg and then the other. And then inhale, flex the feet, reach up, up, up. Exhale, seated spinal twist to the right. So place the right hand behind you, lengthen the tailbone. Sometimes with the legs extended, it can be a little bit more open for you, and see if you can really turn your head. Good. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale to your left. And then hold on to the thigh, place your hand behind you and twist. So these twists ideally release tension. They hopefully help create some movement through the body, maybe some shifting on the inside so it doesn't feel so good, as hoping to loosen it up. And it also starts to fire and stimulate your abdominal muscles and digestive system. This time we're gonna hug our right knee in, plant the foot, sit up really tall. Good. Exhale, sink down. So get that really nice back where you're really hunched over, and if you saw yourself, you'd be like, oh gosh, I have to sit up straight. Good. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. And scoop. Good. Sit up tall. Take your bicep around the leg if you can. Exhale, twist. So I'm still holding with my right arm around my right leg, and then I'm just trying to drop my shoulders and then rotate through my spine. Good. Stay here for 3, 2, come back to center, and then we're going to release the right leg and bring the left knee in. So just kind of hold on to it. Inhale, lengthen, lengthen. So this should feel good. Your stomach is pushing against your leg is pressing back, and then you have this really nice long flat back. Exhale, scoop down, create that really yucky posture. And then sit up nice and tall. And then you're gonna wrap your arm, try to get your bicep there. My other arm's right on top. I'm inhaling, dropping my shoulders down. So try to focus on that. And then exhale as I twist. Inhale. Exhale as I twist. One more breath. Good. Come back to center. Let both legs come out nice and open, so you're as wide as the mat here. So my legs are on either side. I'm just going to inhale, lengthen. Exhale, you may be right here, and this may be you, okay? If you have room, you're going to find the sides of your feet. Really important to grab the sides versus the insides because of the shoulders. Lengthen, and then exhale, stay here, or breathe into the back as you continue to fold. So inhale, exhale. Inhale. And my back's feeling a little tight right now on my right side, so I'm just going to bring my hands in because it's going to relax my back a little bit. And just stay right here. Maybe my arms can start to walk forward, but just very slowly easing in. Maybe the chin falls to the chest. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Good. Bring yourself up nice and slow. Exhale, bring your hands behind you. And then sometimes our back is tense because our hips are either out of alignment or they're tight. So we're just going to work a little bit here, allowing the knees to rock from the left to the right. Left side, right side. Good. And then let them rock all the way to the right for me. And then inhale, sit up really, really tall. Exhale, twist right. And you're going to notice each twist I'm offering you is not going to be directly repetitive, because it's providing you the opportunity to go deeper. Good, come back to center, and then let's exhale left side and right side again. So again, just kind of rolling through the tailbone, letting the knees fall left to right. Now let them fall all the way to your left. Inhale, sit up super tall. Exhale, twist away. So again, this twist kind of already has me moving to the left, so I'm gonna feel like I'm going further than normal, but the reality is I'm just, right behind my tailbone like I was before. But this definitely gives me more freedom since I'm letting my hips rotate with me. Good, come back to center. From here, I want you to scoot your tailbone forward and then slowly hold your kneecaps as you come down and let your feet come up. That way, right away, you're gonna have that press of thighs to belly. Good, now rock to the left and the right slowly. So this massaging of the spine from side to side is gonna provide you that opportunity to move from one side to the other as we go left to right. Good, now hug your knees in really tight. And then exhale, plant your feet. Good, place your hands on your legs and then lengthen out through the hip flexors as you provide more space. Exhale, we're gonna straighten our left leg out and we're gonna hug our right knee in. And your goal here is to really pull the hips down as you press your foot forward. Good, breathing in and breathing out. Exhale into your spinal twist, bring your knee across the body. So as my knee comes over, I'm gonna pick up my left bottom and I'm gonna scoot it over and then reach my right arm away. Inhale and exhale. I'm gonna bring you back to center. You may wanna stay in that spinal twist for longer, that's okay. I'm gonna scoot, bend my left knee, bring my butt back to center, take my ankle over my leg, and then just press the hip open very, very gently. Again, the reason that we're focusing a little bit on the hips to close is so that way we can make sure that maybe it's nothing that's super tight in our hips that's not allowing our back to release. Hug the right knee in, lay it all the way down. And then exhale this left knee directly to your chest. So again, thigh meets belly, hugging in. Really feeling this effort as the knee comes tight to the stomach. I'm pressing with my right leg, it's actively engaged. And if this is really hard for you, you can always bend your right knee and plant your foot as well for the twist. Now we're gonna twist away, so we're gonna twist to the left. I'm gonna move my hips towards you, and then exhale, look towards you as I extend my arm out. So again, using this concept of low back release and this idea of assisting with the hip release as well, spinal twisting allows for both of those, which is really nice. Inhale, exhale, one. Good, one more breath, inhale. And exhale. And again, this is a great place for you to stay. Maybe at the end of the video when we're all done, you come back to these as well. Spinal twists are really great. And they can be performed any time of day. Bend the right knee, plant the foot, bring your hips back to center, and you'll drive this left knee to your chest. Cross the ankle over the thigh, and then again, hand to inside of leg, press, 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 press. Good, so your back should feel super released here. We're gonna exhale, plant our feet, and then we're gonna do something just kind of called a tailbone tuck and bump. So you're just gonna exhale, bump your butt up and down a few times on the mat. And it might feel really funny, but it's that idea of just getting the release. So up and down for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. Some of you may have done that faster or slower, that's okay. I want you to place your hands next to you and just find a gentle bridge, and then hopefully that feels safe on your back. Now you might feel tight in your hip flexors or quads, but that's okay. We didn't get there to stretch those guys yet. And then exhale, lower down. I want you to pull your knees tight to your stomach. Exhale, push your feet forward as you pull your knees in, and then really find your breath. Exhale, hug and then push your tailbone forward. So it's all about creating your own space. Let's do 2 more of those. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, push the tailbone forward. 1 more time. Inhale, breathe in, get lots and lots of length. So I'm really trying to push my bottom towards my feet, away from me, even though I'm holding on. And then exhale, hug in, and you'll feel my tailbone comes up just a little bit. Good. Now extend the legs up into the sky. Take a deep breath in, point the toes. Flex the feet, grab the back of the legs, which are your hamstrings. Let the knees bend, then you're going to rock back and up and back and up. Ideally, no pain in the back. Come all the way up. Now, depending on your anatomy, you may or may not be able to grab your shins, but I want you to try to just round over your legs. Maybe your head's up here, but if you can drop your head down, go ahead and do that. Good. Feel that puffing and the rounding. So I want you to notice, I'm going to turn so you can see my back here. This idea of not just like hanging out, but really pushing and pulling. So inhale, sit up tall, relax. Exhale. Inhale. Hard, strong back. Exhale. And I can feel my right shoulder not really want to let go. Good. Sit up nice and tall. Turn back to face you to close our practice together. Good. Breath in. Breath out. Let's do that again. Breath in. And breath out. Again, this may be a flow you need to do after your body's warmed up or to pair with other videos, or maybe repeat it. Let your back feel nice and healthy. If you have any questions about your low back pain or about this video, please feel free to comment below. And again, this may not fully alleviate your pain, but the goal is to strengthen your back and then allow it to release. Thanks, guys. Enjoy your day.